Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener, Organic Happenings in Kodiak, Alaska. I'm Marion Owen. Bees are having a rough time lately. In Missouri, a truck hauling more than 17 million bees went off the road and overturned in a field. Beekeepers were called in to help manage the bees that escaped, but not before firefighters sprayed the bees with foam. Then there's the mystery of vanishing bees, where entire colonies are disappearing. Now, for those of us whose main contact with bees is swatting them away from a summer picnic table or wincing from a sting, the disappearance of bee colonies may seem like a blessing. But that's not so. The honeybees' disappearance is in fact a big problem. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, about 1/3 of what we eat depends on pollination by honeybees, especially foods like fruits, nuts, and vegetables. The mysterious disappearance is called colony collapse disorder, where you go out to a hive one day and all the bees are working like they should. Go out the next day and the hive is empty. The bees are simply gone. Colony collapse disorder is what scientists say is killing millions of bees worldwide. Researchers are testing different theories on what's causing the die-off. Some say it's global warming. Others, genetically modified crops. The biggest finger, however, is pointing to a pesticide, a synthetic derivative of nicotine, which is sold under names like Advantage, Merit, Admire, and Gaucho. This potent chemical happens to be the most common pesticide on the planet and is used on flowers, lawns, trees, golf courses, homes to get rid of termites, and even pets in the form of flea collars. The pesticide impairs the central nervous system of insects, so when a bee comes along to collect pollen from an insecticide-treated flower, its neurons begin to fire all wrong, leading to muscle paralysis and death. In real-life terms, the bee can't remember how to return to the hive, and it falls to the ground and dies. Through all this, though, it's interesting to note that organic farms and orchards are not seeing colony collapse disorder. So with millions of bees dying off, what's really at stake here? Well, let me put it this way. Albert Einstein was quoted as saying, "If we lose the honeybees, the human race would fall within 4 years." Just remember, dear gardeners, when you spray the flowers, you're killing off the bees. Until next time, I'm Marion Owen.